Hey everyone, welcome back to Fred's Garage. Thanks for coming. So on today's episode, I bought myself a tailgate table. I got it from this company called Mabett. Most of you know Mabett. They make a lot of stuff on Amazon. They make a lot of accessories. So let's open it up, take a look at it, see what she's all about. See if this works for you. Alright, here she is. Alrighty, here she is. She's made out of powder-coated steel. She sticks out from the tailgate 3 inches. She is 27 inches wide and 15 inches tall. Okay? She has this nice built-in molly panel section where you can place whatever equipment or whatever you need for whatever you do. Place to hold it. Because we all know the Bronco really doesn't have much storage. She has these nice spring-loaded clamps to keep the vibration down. She opens right up. Just these 2 cables, 2 cup holders. So now you got a place to put your beverage. And she'll hold 40 pounds. Okay? She has an upper shelf, which is really nice, with a built-in bottle opener and some more molly panels. The upper shelf is, boom, 26 wide. 26 wide and 6.5 deep. Okay, and like I said, she has that built-in bottle opener, so let's see how that works. A little beverage here, non-alcoholic. Works out perfect because we know none of us want to use the bottle opener on this roll bar. And the best part about it, she's inexpensive. Now, let's talk about installation. It took me about 30 minutes to put this all together, okay? It comes like this, and it comes in a multitude of parts, okay? So what I suggest is you bring it in someplace nice and cool, get yourself a table, take 30, 45 minutes, depending on how good you are at putting stuff together, and just put it together, okay? The reason there's a lot of assembly is that's how you keep the cost down. If you want to buy a product that's already assembled that you just have to toss on, it's going to cost you 2 or 3 times as much, okay? So you have to keep that in consideration. So as far as assembly goes, right here you got this panel. You're going to take that off. Make sure you take this panel off from the bottom, okay? Use a plastic pry bar. The clips are on the bottom. Don't pry it out from the top because it has hooks and the hooks will break off, okay? So pry it from the bottom, take it off. Once you get that panel off, you're going to use, boom. You're going to use these T-bolts, and you're going to place on these 2 brackets, 1 on each side. When you put the brackets on, make sure you push them all the way in. You want them as close as you can to the center, okay? And then the top shelf, which you already assembled, is going to bolt on with these 4 Allen head bolts that they give you in 2 washers, okay? Once you get that all bolted up, you're just going to have the bottom to do, okay? The bottom goes on with 2 T-bolts right here. Now let me show you a trick on those T-bolts. I'm going to bring you in. If you look at this T-bolt, you'll see that I marked it with a Sharpie on both of them. Okay? Do that. So this way here, when you put the T-bolt in, you turn it 90, you know that it's going to hold good to the tailgate, okay? You don't need it popping out when you got your stuff on there. And that's all there is to assembly. Like I said, no drilling. Nobody wants to drill into anything. So what we're going to do, take a sip of coffee. We're going to close this up using our spring latches, spring-loaded latches. I'm also going to use my roll bar rear camera that I have mounted on there, and we're going to go for a ride, okay? And want to see if it makes any noise, because you know as well as I know, nobody needs any noise back here, okay? But she seems pretty quiet to me so far. So let's close her up. Let's take it for a ride. I'll show you what it sounds like. You can look out the back of the Bronco, and we'll go from there. And you guys listen. good. Don't hear any rattling. No jiggling. No nothing. They did a good job keeping it quiet. Alright, so it worked out good. I didn't hear any noise, did you guys? Hey, let me tell you why I make these videos, okay? So you want a tailgate table. You go on Amazon, you go on somebody's webpage, and you see 1,000 of these tailgate tables, but you don't really know. All you know is there's a couple of pictures here, there's a couple of pictures there, and every company's going to put on their best pictures, right? So I make these videos to help you guys out so you guys can see what this is all about. See if it's something that works for you or something that doesn't work for you, okay? If you're interested in this or anything that you've ever seen in my Bronco, it'll always be in the description page. It helps me out a lot if you purchase it through my Amazon affiliate page. I make like 2%. It ain't nothing, but it keeps the channel rolling, okay? So, if you like this video, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Hit the subscribe button. And I'm hoping to make 3 to 4 videos a month, okay? Now, as I said, we talked about storage. I got this right here. Check this out. Can you see it? I don't know if you can or you can't. It's a little trunk I made. Very easy. Cost less than 50 bucks. But the intelligent part about it was how I connected it to the Bronco so she don't move. That's the next video, okay? Coming up soon. You guys, by the way, have a beautiful day. And we'll talk to you. Take care.